Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are continuing the chapter that is parabola here, and in that the important topic is various forms of parabola. This is the most important concept when it comes to parabola. Here we have a parameters like quadrant. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 are nothing but quadrants of a coordinate axis, and these are the quadrants here. Generally we called as quadrants positive here. So let us discuss in each and every point here. First of all, here the contents are equation, figure, vertex, focus and point of intersection of axis and directrix, and endpoints of latus rectum, equation of axis, equation of directrix, equation of tangent at vertex, and equation of latus rectum, distance from the focus to the directrix, and length of latus rectum. SA is equal to AZ. First I am taking this one, first point. Here these are the axes. Here x dash, y dash. I am explaining each and every point here. So first of all, if I am drawing a parabola like this is a parabola, and this is a focus, and this is focus, and this is directrix. L is equal to 0 here, or here I wrote Z. So Z is equal to 0. This is directrix, and here if you observe this one, this is called vertex, and this is called axis. Here PBA point, this is a perpendicular distance M, and here this is called what we call here latus rectum, L dash. These are the end points here, and what we have left here. So that's it. So the equation, this is right side of the x axis here. So this is part 1 I am taking. This is in the positive side of x axis. This is in the first quadrant here. The point is in first quadrant, and here each and every point we have to discuss. The standard form of this equation is y square is equal to 4ax. This is the standard form of this equation parabola. And here for this equation, the general figure, normal figure is this one, and the actual figure is this one. So for this one, the actual figure, and the vertex. What is vertex? The parabola is intersecting at the axis, principal axis is called vertex. This vertex is, we can call as origin. It is intersecting at origin. So that's why I am taking 0, 0 here. And the next point, focus. What is focus here? It is at a distance of A from the origin. So this is called focus. S is equal to, that is A comma 0. This is A comma 0, and point of intersection of directrix and axis. The point of intersection of directrix, what is here? Directrix, Z is equal to 0 is a directrix, and the point of intersection of directrix and this axis, directrix and this axis, this is the point of intersection. This is in the negative side of x axis. This is a distance, so it is a minus a. Then the point of intersection of this will become minus a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0. This is a comma 0. Focus is a comma 0, and the point of intersection of directrix and principal axis is minus a comma 0. This is the minus a comma 0. And the end points of latus rectum. What is mean by latus rectum? A line which is passing through focus and intersecting at 2 points of the parabola is called a line which is passing through focus and intersecting 2 points. These are L dash. Then the points are a comma plus or minus 2a, and here one is plus and one is minus, a comma minus 2a. This is a comma 2a, this is minus 2k. 1 point this one and 1 point is this one. This is all about points of latus rectum. And the equation of axis. What will be the equation of axis? This equation will be y is equal 0. Why? Because this is x axis, then parallel to, then y is equal 0 be the equation of here axis. And the equation of directrix is, this is equation, this is the directrix. Then the equation of directrix will become, it is in the negative side of x axis here. So then it can be written as x is equal minus a. This is the equation of directrix. And what next point is equation of tangent at vertex. Equation of tangent. This is the vertex. Tangent is nothing but the point of contact is one only for the figure. So this is the parabola. This is the line. This is the y axis is the line contacting at vertex at one point. The point of contact is V here. So this is the, here we need to write the equation of this one. Here he is saying equation of tangent at V axis, that is nothing but this is the y axis. Then automatically we can write it is a x is equal 0. This is the equation of tangent at V. And the next one, equation of latus rectum. Equation of latus rectum, it is at a distance of, this is the latus rectum, it is at a distance of a units. So the equation of this one is x is equal to a. And next one is equation of latus rectum is completed. And distance from focus to directrix, distance from focus to directrix. Here this is a and this is a. So a plus a, the distance we are calculating, not addition of magnitudes here. So a plus a, that is nothing but here a units, here a units, it is in the negative side of units. So distance won't be negative. So a plus a, that is equal to 2a here what we got 2a here. And the length of directrix, always consider the length of latus rectum, the length of latus rectum is, this is a. So the length of latus rectum is L dash will be 4 into a, 4 times of distance from vertex to focus. This is all about the length of latus rectum. And finally SA is equal to AZ. SV is equal to what we call AZ here. I'm simply, this is a is nothing but V here. Why? Because this is vertex I am taking. In this case I am taking A. That's why SV is equal to AZ. This distance is equal to this distance. So similarly that distance is A. This distance is how much? A. SA is equal to SV is equal to VZ. This is nothing but point of intersection is nothing but Z here. So this is all about the first case here. And if you look at second case, similarly you have to write the diagram for second case also. So I am taking again x axis and y axis. This is x dash, y dash. So I am drawing a parabola which is passing through origin, and this is the focus and this is the latus rectum, this is L dash, and this is nothing but vertex, this is nothing but axis. And here this is a directrix, this is a directrix, Z is equal 0, this is the point Z here. And we have what we have more here, and this is the figure of this general figure. This is the figure of this general figure. Here the parabola is in the form, parabola is in second and third quadrant here. So if you look at this one, the vertex, what will be the vertex here? This is the vertex. The point of contact of parabola to a principal axis is called vertex, that is 0, 0. This is proved here. And minus a comma 0. Let's focus. Focus is, this is the focus. This is the distance is minus negative side of negative to x axis, that will be minus a comma 0, and the general form of this parabola equation is equal to y square is equal to minus 4ax. Why? Because here I am taking a distance of minus a, so that's why it is minus 4ax here. So this is the general equation of a parabola, and this is considered here point of intersection of axis and directrix. Point of intersection of axis, this is a directrix, this is a axis, and the point of intersection of axis and directrix is, it is in the a units, so then it will be a comma 0. This is nothing but, and end points of latus rectum, this is here it is in the negative side of x axis, so end point will be minus a comma 2a and minus a comma plus 2a minus 2a. These are the end points of latus rectum, and here equation of axis, this is only the equation of axis, then it will be always x is equal 0, always x is equal 0, and sorry, always y is equal 0, this is the only x axis. So equation of vertex tangent is equal to x is equal 0, this is, and equation of directrix is x is equal to, equation of directrix x is equal to a, this is the equation of directrix, it is in the distance of a units, x is equal to a here, this is the equation of this directrix. And next point is equation of tangent at vertex, equation of tangent already we have written here, x is equal 0, and equation of latus rectum, this is the latus rectum, this is latus rectum, and the equation for this one is, it is in the negative side of a unit, so then it will be x is equal to minus a. This is the equation of latus rectum, and the distance from the focus to directrix, this is focus to directrix is a plus a, so a plus a, that is equal to how many units? 2a units, and the length of latus rectum is 4 into a, so that is equal to 4a, and these 2 points are completed, and the SV is equal to kz. Here the distance is a unit, here is also the distance is units, both are equal, so that is a units here. This is all about the second condition, and similarly you have to write the points per third point here. Similarly you have to write the points per third point. Just it is reverse of previous case. X dash, y dash, and here I am taking a parabola in U shape. Here I am taking a parabola like this. Here I am taking a parabola like this. So first point, what is vertex here? This is vertex. This is vertex 0 comma 0. This is vertex. The parabola is intersecting at one point, that is a principal axis, that is x comma xz is 0 comma 0, and this is the principal axis. This is yz is the principal axis here, and the point of intersection and the focus. What will be the focus here? I am taking a point here. This is point, and it is at a distance on y axis. So this will be focus a comma 0. This will be focus a comma 0. S is a focus, and next focus will be completed. Next, point of intersection of axis and directrix. The point of intersection, this is axis and this is point of intersection of, what he is saying, point of intersection of axis and directrix. I am taking, this is the directrix here, this is the directrix, this is z is equal 0, and the point of intersection of axis and directrix, that is nothing but minus a comma 0. Here this is in the negative side of y axis, minus a comma 0, point of intersection here. So this is 0 comma minus a. Why? Because here x point is 0, so it is intersecting on y axis, that's why this is also 0 comma a here, 0 comma minus a, and equation of directrix here. Next point is end points of latus rectum. End points of latus rectum, a line which is passing through focus, this is L dash and this is L here. So end points of latus rectum are plus 2a comma a and 2 minus 2a comma a. These are the end points of latus rectum here. And the next point is a equation of axis. Equation of, this is equation of axis here, then the equation of axis will become x is equal 0 and the equation of vertex is equal to y is equal 0. This is vertex, this is axis. I am writing this is axis, this is directrix, this is latus rectum, and this is tangent. And the next one, equation of axis is x equal 0 and the equation of directrix, this equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a. Why? Because it is at negative units of distance on y axis, that's why this is y is equal to minus a. And the equation of tangent at y axis, that is equal to y. This equation of tangent is y is equal 0 and equation of latus rectum is y is equal to a. Equation of latus rectum, this is the equation of this is the latus rectum, then the equation of latus rectum is it is at positive side of y axis, then it will be y is equal to a. This is the equation of latus rectum, and the distance from focus to directrix is 2a. Focus to directrix, this is a units and this is a units on y axis, a plus a, that is equal to 2a here, and length of latus rectum, it is at a units in the y axis, so length of latus rectum is 4a, and SV is equal to Vz. SV is equal to Vz, then the units is equal to a here. This is all about the points of third point. The equation of this one is, the equation of this parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Just general form is y square is equal to 4ax. So just it is reversed here. So y square, and it is in the positive side of first quadrant here. So x square is equal to 4ay. It is x square is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. This is a most important difference for these two parabola here. And the final one is fourth point. I am taking once again coordinate axis, this is x dash, y dash. I am drawing a parabola like this. I am drawing a parabola. This is a parabola. It is intersecting at origin. And the first point is, the general form for this one is this one, and the vertex, what will be the vertex? It is the parabola is touching at principal axis called vertex, that is 0 comma 0. This is S here, sorry, this is vertex 0 comma 0. And what is focus? What is focus here? 0 comma minus a. I am taking here, this is a focus. It is in the negative side of y axis, then 0 comma minus a will be the focus. And what is the next point? The point of intersection of axis and directrix. Then the point of intersection of axis and directrix. This is the directrix I am taking. It is in the positive sign of a axis on y axis. Then the point of intersection of directrix and axis, that is 0 comma a. Why? Because here x coordinate is 0, and the next one, this is completed 0 comma here. Next, end points of latus rectum. I am taking, this is the latus rectum, the line which is passing through focus, this is L dash and this is L here. So this will be 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. This is the end points of latus rectum. These are completed. Next, equation of axis. This is the equation of axis. This is the y-axis. Then the equation of axis will become x is equal to 0 and equation of directrix. This is the directrix. Equation of directrix. Then x is equal to equation of directrix. Then it is in the y-axis with the units of phi, a units. So then it will be y equal to a. Then equation of latus rectum, that is y is equal to minus a, and equation of latus rectum is completed. And the next one, equation of tangent at vertex. This is the equation of tangent. This is nothing but tangent. Then what will be the equation? Y equal to 0. Here it is touching at 0 origin here. And the final point, equation of latus rectum is already written, y is equal to minus a, and distance from the focus to directrix, distance from focus to directrix, a plus a, that is a plus a is equal to 2a. And the final one, length of latus rectum. This is the a units. Then the length of latus rectum is 4 into a, that is equal to 4 into a. Length of latus rectum, this one. And SV is equal to AZ. This is SV is equal to AZ. So that's why VZ, that is nothing but here SV is equal to VZ, that is equal to A units. So this is all about the fourth point here. So each and every point is discussed here. Here we have some important points of parabola here. Let P be a point on parabola. And M and N are projection and principal axis. Projections of principal axis. Then the equation of parabola with latus rectum. Then the condition is Pm whole square is equal to 4 into a length of latus rectum into the distance of Pn. The distance of Pm whole square is equal to length of latus rectum into Pn. This is all about the first point here. And the second one is let Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. One straight line equation, that is nothing but tangent. Here. And at vertex, this is vertex and this is tangent here. And the axis of parabola, this is the axis of parabola. The equation of parabola is mx minus ly plus k is equal to 0. And this one is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Here this is the equation of tangent and this is equation of axis. So then the equation of parabola with latus rectum 4a is, then the equation of parabola with latus rectum 4a, this is 4a, the length of latus rectum is 4a. Then the equation of parabola will become mx minus ly plus k whole square and is equal to 4 into a of square root of L square plus M square into modulus value of Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0, where x comma y are points here. If you substitute all the values of this tangent and axis of principal here, principal axis equation, will get the equation of parabola with respect to the latus rectum. This is also equation of parabola with respect to latus rectum. These two points are equation of parabola with respect to latus rectum. And here all the cases, if you observe, in all the cases the parabola is having vertex is 0 comma 0. Here the parabola is having vertex is 0 comma 0 in all the cases. Vertex is having 0 comma 0 and the focus is at equal distance, that is a comma 0. This is also minus a comma 0 and 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. Here all the cases having the vertex is 0 comma 0. Vertex is 0 comma 0. Here also 0 comma 0. But in next session we will discuss the different forms of parabolas which are related to different vertex h comma k and different forms here. This is all about the various forms of the parabola here. In next session we will discuss the various forms of parabola which is having vertex is other than 0 comma 0. Thank you.